This is Obama Cuisine. Welcome to my channel. I take ordinary dishes and make it extraordinary. Cooking is my passion. Today I'm doing egg and bacon turnover. Before you start, put fresh egg into the freezer overnight. I'm going to start with 2 cups of self-rising flour. Let's chop 1 medium-sized onion. After that, chop 4 strips of bacon. Saute them together until it's golden brown. Next, chop 3 sticks of unsalted butter into pieces. Mix the flour with the butter. Add a 1/4 cup of ice cold water. It's important to keep the dough cold so it's easier to work with. After that, add a 1/4 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Put a little flour onto the board so you can roll the dough flat. Now comes to the fun part. We're going to peel the eggs that we put in the freezer overnight. Each pie is going to have 1 egg and a bacon and onion mixture. Then you're going to fold your dough over and close it with your fork. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Beat 1 egg and brush it onto the turnover. Place it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. When it's golden brown, we're going to take it out. When you take a look inside, it should look like a boiled egg. Bon appetit! Delicious. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so.